Hi, Anthony from Carlirgo. So just want to show you guys the new tech that we've used. We tried to show it yesterday in our video in our greenhouse up in Mombela, but unfortunately the sun was showing onto the tablet. So I thought let's kind of make an in-depth video, showcase what each of these things do, and just actually how does the platform look like and how does the products look like, because that's also the most important thing. So let's jump into it. Okay, so let's run through this app. So basically you've got Rainpoint, and this is the company that we use for all the solenoids and valves and all of those kind of things. So basically you've got your home screen, and here you've got your different things. So a lot of these things can actually talk and correspond to one another. Like example, what we've done is the soil moisture sensor kind of talks with the valve. So here you can see here's like a condition that we've set. So if the moisture is below 55, because what we've noticed in the GeoTowers, when you put in the probe, it gives you, it says like 55 is the percentage is actually not slightly corresponding to what the reality is. So at 55 it was actually very saturated. So here you can see different scenes, different things and whatnot. So if this is to this, then that kind of switches on. So let me show you what this kind of looks like. So this is what the probe looks like. Very, very, very good quality. A lot of these probes are almost actually only that size, where this thing is actually such a good quality. And what's lucky is it actually works with batteries. Instead of running a cable with a different thing, with this, with that, with whatever, it showcases you how much battery it's got left. So let's go, if we go into the soil moisture, we can go into the settings, and there it actually shows you how strong the signal is and what the battery level is on this. So here you can also change. Here you've got charts to see actually how that the moisture perform. So we're still pulling in data and whatnot, but we're going to see how we're going to utilize this for everything. But what's nice is you've got a 30-day kind of data log, you've got a 24-hour, you've got more. So it all depends, and you can check the temperature of everything, how it kind of corresponds and works. So which is fantastic, because now you actually have more data points to your tower. The same with your greenhouse. So what's nice is this is a temperature and humidity sensor. You kind of just hang it in your greenhouse, and then this can work with this also if you've got it dedicated to a mister line, which is fantastic. This also works on batteries. So you pop in the batteries there at the back, and boom, there you go, hooks up easily, connects to one another. And same with this battery. This is the only thing, this is your hub, but if I'm not mistaken, you've got almost 100-meter range on this from so you put this close to your Wi-Fi, and then you've got 100-meter range on this to put these different sensors. Video got shortened there. Anyway, so what happens is you can have this probe working with this to basically share data points, and if your moisture is low, it can activate this thing. Then you can get another one, or you can get a deal zone that these two kind of work with one another. Then you connect this up to a mister, and if this temperature is at a certain kind of condition, then this can switch on a mister. Or you buy a little dual zone, then you run both kind of simultaneously from one controller instead of having two different controllers. So that's also an option. So all in all, this is an extremely good, sturdy quality that we've got. Platform is easily kind of work with. Let's just go in there. and then you've got charts. You can see how much water you've used in your thing. You can see what's your temperature, humidity, soil temperature, how much light you've got, everything. It's such an amazing kind of setup and platform to work with. Easy, simple, battery operated, and just easy to use.